Hello friends, today I am explaining how to set units in AutoCAD. So units means we are using metric and usually we are using metric and foot and inches units. Okay, so how to set the units here? So you see this drawing, no? This is already set by feet and inches unit. Okay, so how to set the unit? I will explain. Go to the format menu here. So under the format menu you have units. Choose the units here, and here you have actually this is a foot and inches measurement. So here already set as architectural. So I want to convert this as a decimal metric measurement. So here you have to select decimal and click here. What is the precision? What is the digits after you want the point? So here I choose here. So here I want 2 digits after the digit after the point. So I am choosing this. Okay. Then here we set the decimal on the length type. So in insertion scale we need to convert the feet inches from inches to meters. I want the meters. So you can choose here millimeters or centimeters or meters under the decimal category. So I want my drawing as a meter, so I am choosing meters. Okay, so now click OK. Now the drawing is set as a unit as metric measurement, actually decimal. So now give on dimension. So the dimensions are not changing. Here also it will come. I am going to check. I am going to model tab. The dimensions are as it is before, because the units are already changed, but the dimensions are already now still it's coming foot and inches. So how to change this dimension? We need to go to dimension style. Here the current dimension section 1. So here you have to modify. Here also you need to change the primary units. Here going to primary units, the unit format is decimal. Okay, decimal, then precision 00 after the point 2 digits. Okay, I chosen here. Then now I click OK. Now I am choosing set current. Now close the tab. Now I am given a dimension. It will come in decimal metric measurement here. See, this is a metric measurement. So this is the way to select the convert the units in AutoCAD. Okay, thank you. So maybe you want to change the decimal to foot again. So go to format menu. Here you got to select units. Here in decimal you have to change the decimal to architectural. Now the precision I need like this. Up to 1/4 of inches also I want to show my drawing, so I am chosen here. So now here change the meters to feet or inches. I am choosing feet. Okay, now okay. Okay, so now the drawing is changes in foot and inches. So now you give a dimension. Here still the dimensions is always keeping like this only. So what do you do to change the visibility in dimension? You must go to dimension menu, dimension style. Here what is the current? Choose the current dimension style and modify. Go to primary units. You should change the units as architectural. Okay. Okay, set current, close. Now check the dimension. It will come feet and inches. Okay, this is the way to select the set the units in AutoCAD, and how set the dimension style or dimension visibility in the AutoCAD. So please subscribe my channel, and please give me your support. Thank you.